is she? Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Carrie. I'm so very fly. Oh my, it's a little bit scary. And I make girly glam and slightly ratchet content here online. Today's video is going to be one that I'm so excited to bring you guys in collaboration with INH Hair. Insert name here. If you guys have been following me on my channel, on my Instagram, on my TikTok, etc., you know how much I love INH. I'm always in their ponies. It's such just an easier way to style your hair and look put together quickly, affordably, and trendily. We're gonna make that a word. So I'm really excited to bring you guys more information about two of their signature ponies today, and I'm not gonna make this intro any longer. I want to get right into this tutorial, informational video, and show you guys some Y2K styles. So before we get into everything, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, as well as turn on the post notification bell. That way you never miss when I upload a new video. And feel free to follow me on my social media handles at Glamonista08, pretty much everywhere. That way you can stay tuned and see behind the scene looks at all the girly glam and slightly ratchet parts of my life. But other than that, we're just gonna get right into today's video. Okay guys, before I get into the Y2K hairstyle tutorials featuring INH, I want to talk to you guys very quickly about this brand. Just in case you've never heard of INH before, insert name here is a hair and beauty brand, and they specialize in their synthetic ponytails that they make out of Japanese fibers. These are like the best synthetic ponytails I have ever personally used because they look so real. You can heat style them and they last a long time as if you're getting human hair, but because you're not paying for human hair, you are getting an affordable cost. Okay, they have trendy styles. They have long ponies, short ponies, swooped ponies, textured ponies, straight ponies, whatever you can think of they have. And they also do sell other things like hair extensions, wigs, heat tools, hair product, etc. I love INH because it allows me to have some high quality things to change up my look for my hair, but again without breaking the bank. And it also gives me confidence because adding inches just makes you feel like that girl, okay? And I'm able to wear hairstyles like this without having to damage my curls or heat style them or do anything that's going to take forever, which is the struggle when you have curly hair. Prior to using this, I was always struggling trying to figure out what the heck I was going to do to my curls each day. So I love INH because it just makes the hair process so much easier. Okay, I promise you. So they have been my one-stop shop for ponies. I have so many ponies from them already, so I'm really excited to share with you guys two that were the first two styles I ever tried from them, and two that I think are signature in your beauty arsenal. And this is an online brand that you can order from. You can check out their Instagram, their website, everything I'll have linked down below. And I also have a coupon code for you guys to utilize on the screen and down below, so make sure you use that when you order so you can get money off your order. But the cool thing about this too is that even though it's an online brand, it might seem intimidating to order the right shade for your hair, but have no fear, you can DM INH on their Instagram page and they're more than happy to help you find your perfect color match. So with that, I'm just gonna get right into the application and two hairstyle tutorials, Y2K trendy vibes. So let's get right into these tutorials. Alright guys, the first pony I'm gonna go with is going to be the Shayla pony in the pink packaging. The cool thing that I love about this packaging is that they actually have this little slip here to tell you more about your hair, including how to wear and the temperature that you can style this up to, because yes, you can heat style INH hair, which we'll get to a little bit later. But for the first style, I'm not going to use any heat on this hair or my own. Here is the pony. They have it in a protective wrap, which I appreciate, just to make sure that your hair is not going to be super tangled when you get it for you. And look at the inches, look at the length. And their ponies also come with this cute little pink satin scrunchie that I love. I have a whole bunch of these now because of all the times that I've bought from them. But the Shayla pony is nice, she's soft, she's long, and fun fact, I have owned this pony since the beginning of 2019, insert pictures here, and I needed a new one, so I'm really happy. So this is my curly hair on day like 4, so it's super dry, it needs moisture, it needs help. But what I like to do is use INH Hair to help style my hair so it looks like it is day 1. minus the heat, minus the hassle, and minus the time. You ready? I'm just gonna take a little bit of leave-in to start off, and this is just to make my hair a little bit easier to work with, and so it's not extremely dry. And this hairstyle is super easy. You're just gonna take out a section of your own hair for bangs. You can still do this hairstyle, BT dubs, if your hair is not textured or curly and you still want to wear the Shayla, you can still do this with straight hair. I'm going to pull my hair back. If your hair is straight, you can brush it back, but since my hair is curly, we're not brushing it for the style because I don't want to flatten any of the texture that I have. So I am just gonna go with my natural curls, and you can add some leave-in or any product to help hydrate your hair and emphasize the texture as you see fit. And I'm gonna do a high Y2K pony for this, so I'm gonna put this basically on the top of my head. I'm just gonna take a hair tie and put my hair in a ponytail. Once my hair is in this really weird looking high pony, I then take the bottom of it and I try to make it into a thin, as tiny of a ballerina bun as I can finesse. I twist this pony like so, and then I'm going to just twist it around into a tiny little bun. And then you just want to secure this separately. While we have this bun, I'm going to take some leave-in one more time and just a little tiny amount for the front piece. And then we are going to braid her so that we can have a nice cute little Y2K style. And I'm actually going to start it off with a French braid and then leave the end loose. The last thing I'm going to do before I go in with the Shayla pony is go in with some edge gel. And again, I'm just going to focus this on like my actual edges, my hairline, but not on my hair as I normally would if I'm wearing a straight pony, because you want the texture to kind of be there, unless of course you're already working with straight hair. So we just swoop in the edges. Okay. And if you have a lot of flyaways and baby hairs, INH actually also makes a product for that, but I'm going to keep my baby hairs a little curly since I'm wearing a textured pony. So now for the easiest part, you're just literally going to take your pony, and they give you 2 bobby pins with your ponies, which is just nice. It's convenient, so you always have it. This is Velcroed, so we're going to undo that. And if you've never used INH before, they always have one strip of hair connected to the band that you're going to put around your bun, and this is so you can cover, okay, so it looks natural. And then the inside, I know it's hard to tell because I got the shade jet black, but it has a little comb for you to stick into your bun to help secure the pony. So literally, I'm just going to flip this over, put the comb on the top of my bun, and then take this and wrap it around. Like guys, this is the easiest thing ever, and this is why you always see me in their ponies, because I don't have to really do much. And the one thing you want to make sure that you're doing is, of course, when you're taking the strand around, just making sure that it's covering that Velcro band so that it looks like it's your hair. And then you're just going to take the bobby pins they sent and secure the end of that band wherever it ends, and boom, you have your hairstyle. This is so cute. Hold on, I need earrings. I need to finish this look. I'll be right back. You can't tell me that this isn't the cutest hairstyle ever. And again, the hair is so soft and it doesn't have this really weird, unrealistic sheen. It is just ready to be worn. I am like shook because my ponytail that I've been using has been so used that having a fresh one is like, I feel like a brand new person. I'm low-key giving myself Thank You Next beauty salon vibes. You know the look. Unintentionally, but I love it. I'm just gonna swing this around for the rest of my entire life, okay? Again, I didn't have to heat style or hurt my natural texture in any way, so we love that. So yeah, now I am going to go on to what to do with your curls, your natural hair, if you want to do a Y2K straight look, because it's possible as well. Okay guys, time for look number 2. Here we are going to use the infamous Maya pony. Every Ari stan has seen this pony time and again, and this time I'm actually going to be using some heat tools. This says that you can heat style the ponies up to 400 degrees. I think for the second Y2K style, I really want to do 2 ponies because I never do that. And I feel like it would be super cute, and I already have a Maya pony of my own, but she is like the Shayla pony I had, worn. Okay, she has seen a lot. So what we're gonna do is we're first going to take out this pony, which, by the way, the process, super simple. Once you find your bobby pins, I forgot I placed them in the front, you're just gonna take out your bobby pins, and then I'm literally just gonna take the strand that I wrapped, and from there, the pony is gone. And she's still beautiful and intact, and so is your hair. For this hairstyle, I'm going to be using a heat tool. And if you guys are not new to my channel, you might have already seen my honest review on this tool. But bonus, I'm going to be taking this Insert Sleek Hair Here straightening brush to zhuzh up my old Maya so it matches the new one. Here's the brush. I'm going to set it to heat up, even though it heats up pretty fast. But if you guys want the full 411 on the brush, I have a whole dedicated video on this channel that was unsponsored. They didn't send this to me. I paid with my own money. So I will link that up above and down below if you guys want to check that out as well. So I've set the brush for 375, and while it's heating, I'm going to undo this braid. And I'm also going to undo the bun and pony. Now for this hairstyle, Y2K Me is telling me to leave out the front. And I'm just going to use a bobby pin to section these off really quickly. And now we're gonna let the fun begin. I am just going to separate my hair. It's already kind of parted down the center in the back. So I just have two halves of my, again, naturally curly hair. Without including the antennas, I'm going to brush back my hair, and this time I'm trying to get the base to be flat. No texture showing, preferably. And once you have a flat base, you're going to do the same thing that you did to the first pony, which is just secure it with a headband. I'm going to move my antennas to the side and do the same thing to the other. And just like the first time, again, I'm just going to spin my hair and then put it into two little ballerina buns. Alright, so next I am going to go in with my Maya pony, the new one. And these are the same exact ponytails again, by the way. This one is just fresh, and the other one, not so much. And again, just look how beautiful and sleek this hair is. She's so cute. And just like that, we have pigtail number one. Here lies my old Maya pony. So I'm going to first just put her on, and you can see that for having worn it for so much and through so much, it's still a good pony. It just needs to be sleeked down a little bit. So I'm gonna apply her the exact same way. And honestly, I could keep her like this. Again, I want the ends especially to be a little judged up and a little fresh. So I'm just gonna take individual strands at a time and just run her on 375 with the Insert Sleek name here. Does she or does she not look as sleek as the new one? I'm so happy that I got this because it really allows me to refreshen up the hair that I have worn the life out of, and it does it without damaging it and also without pulling out the strands to the point where I'm thinning out the pony. You guys can see why I love this brand now, huh? Alright guys, I just finished sleeking up the old Maya, and can you tell the difference? So again, for this style, you can leave your antennas out, or you can put them back if you wanted to wrap them around your pony. But you know it wouldn't be me without some clips, so we're gonna add some because we love to keep it cute. So here's look number 2, and the reason why I am in love with INH. Alright guys, that was my INH hair video for you guys today. I have other videos about INH hair from the first time that I wore their product to the heat styling tool video I mentioned earlier, so I'll leave links to these videos down in the description box for you guys to check out as well. Make sure again to also check out INH's links, including their social links, their website, and my coupon code if you guys decide to order. And with all that being said, I will see you guys next time. Bye guys!